Attention! Don't drink more than 1 cup. You might lose too much weight. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you enjoyed taking care of your health, like our video, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications by clicking the bell icon to receive our daily tips. Do you have the habit of consuming pumpkin? Tell us in the comments how you usually consume this valuable food. At the end of the video, we've prepared 2 incredible recipes that you can't miss. Did you know that pumpkin is rich in vitamins and minerals, with low calories, 0 cholesterol, and no saturated fats? It's an excellent ally in weight loss and is high in fiber, making it easy to incorporate into your daily diet due to its versatility and variety of recipes. The benefits of pumpkin are numerous, and its consumption is often recommended by doctors for cholesterol control and in treatment and prevention programs for various diseases. Besides cooking pumpkin, you can also benefit from its juice. The benefits of pumpkin juice are countless, just like the vegetable itself. Pumpkin juice contains vitamins B1, B2, B6, C, E, and beta-carotene, as well as minerals like potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and iron. It also contains sucrose, organic matter, carbohydrates, and vital proteins. Half a cup of pumpkin juice is recommended daily, thanks to its medicinal and therapeutic properties. Pumpkin is ideal for those who need to lose weight, as it contains few calories and is rich in fiber, which increases the feeling of fullness and prolongs the digestion process, leading to eating less. Experts state that consuming fiber in the diet reduces the rate of glucose absorption in the body, keeping sugar levels stable. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial to avoid insulin production and unwanted fat accumulation. For pumpkin to be truly effective in weight loss, it needs to replace another higher calorie food. This way, you'll burn more calories than you consume daily. For example, if you choose to eat a cup of pumpkin puree with cinnamon, which equals 80 calories, instead of a slice of pumpkin pie with 300 calories, you'll eliminate 220 calories from your daily diet. In today's video, we've prepared 2 special recipes for you to benefit from this health treasure. Natural pumpkin juice. Ingredients: 100 grams of raw and chopped pumpkin, water. Preparation: wash the pumpkin, peel it, and cut it into cubes. Blend with water. For thicker juice, add less water. For a more diluted drink, add more water. Serve immediately. Don't use sugar if you want to lose weight. Add an apple if you prefer. Pumpkin juice with apple and ginger ingredients: 1 4 raw pumpkin, 1 apple cut into small pieces, a small piece of ginger, 500 ml filtered water. Preparation: place all ingredients in a blender, blend well, and serve immediately. Don't store for later, as the drink may lose its nutritional properties and benefits. Change your daily habits by including healthy eating and practicing physical activity for at least 30 minutes a day. Now that you know the benefits of pumpkin juice, tell us in the comments which of these recipes you'll include in your daily routine. Share this video on your social media so more people can learn about this valuable information. If you made it this far, leave a flower emoji in the comments to let us know you watched the video to the end. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll respond as soon as possible. To receive more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications by clicking the bell icon. Also, check out other videos that might interest you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.